Alright, so this week our next fruit of the Spirit is peace. And so I have a Bible verse to share with you guys about peace. And it is from 2 Thessalonians 3:16. And it says, "Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times in every way. The Lord be with you all." So this is just saying that God is always going to be with us. He's always going to be keeping us peaceful, and when we're scared, he will give us peace so that we're not as scared anymore. So first, I have a little science experiment to show you about something that's not very peaceful. So for this, you need 2 empty water bottles, and you need a washer, not the washer you wash your clothes in, the little metal, I think this is metal washer, and you need some water to fill the one water bottle part of the way full, and you need some food coloring glitter if you want, and then you also need some tape. So I'm gonna go grab those. Alright, so before I go any further into this experiment, because it does involve food coloring, make sure your parents help you, or you don't even have to use food coloring, you can just put some glitter in so you can see the water and it's not just clear. But food coloring will stain your clothes, the carpet, it will stain anything. So I don't want your parents angry. So you have 2 water bottles here, one a little more than half full with water, another one empty. What you're going to do is put a wee little bit of food coloring in. It will stain. I'm just going to put a few drops in. Alright, and then we're going to put that away. And actually, I'm going to pause this video so I can go wash my hand now because I have food coloring all over my hand. Alright, so we have the 2 water bottles here, the one with the food coloring and the water, and the other one is empty. And so what you're going to do then with the washer is you're going to place it on top of the one water bottle with the water in it. And then you're going to tape it, but don't cover up the hole in the center of the washer. So I'm going to tape this, and then I'll be back. Alright, so now it's all taped here on the top, nice and tight. And what you're going to do with the empty water bottle is flip it upside down in here. And all you're going to do is tape this water bottle right on top of here. So I'm going to tape that. Alright, so I came outside here because I did not want to make a mess in my room. And you can see I kind of already made a little bit of a mess. So I don't know how well you'll be able to see this on the camera, but I'm going to do it. So you're going to flip it over, and then you just got to shake the top water bottle really fast. And then you can see a little bit of a tornado looking thing there in the top water bottle. So once this water drains, I'll show it again now that you know what you're looking for. Yep, there's our little water and food coloring tornado. So you can try this at home. Alright, so that little experiment was showing us something that is not very peaceful. Tornadoes aren't peaceful, they're very angry weather, and they destroy a lot of stuff. So they're not exactly peaceful. But we are going to talk about something that is peaceful. So something that's peaceful typically are like rivers and streams, as long as it's not raining a lot and there's not flooding. They're very peaceful to sit at and just listen to the water trickle by. So some of you might have heard of this song, probably have sung it in church a few times, maybe you've heard it in VBS or something else, but it's Peace Like a River. So I'm just going to sing a little bit of the song, and it's always a song that whenever I'm at camp or something, it's a song that just brings me peace while I'm there. So I hope it maybe brings you guys a little bit of peace while there's a lot going on in the world. So I'm just going to sing a little bit of it. I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like forever. I've got peace like a river in my soul. So I hope that maybe brought a little bit of peace to you guys while you're dealing with a lot of stuff that's happening and not being able to go places. I know that song brings me peace. So I have a craft project for us. So we're going to make a paper plate dove. So you're going to need a paper plate, some scissors, and something to write with. So I'm going to go grab those. It does not matter what the size your paper plate is. Mine will probably be small. So I'm going to go grab those things. Alright, so we're going to make a dove out of the paper plate. So what you need to do first, let me turn my camera so you can see. So, okay, that's better lighting. So I have a marker here so you guys can see. On the camera you don't have to use a marker. So what you're going to do is you're just going to section off the two sides into little sections about the same size. Doesn't be perfect. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, so you're going to section off into two sections like that, and then in the middle section, you're just going, I'll do it over here so you can see, this is upside down, so you're just going to take a line and come part way up here, like that, and then you're going to draw a little circle, and then you are going to draw another little circle the whole way, finishing it off. So this is kind of what it looks like, and what you're going to do now is cut on all the lines here. So you first probably want to cut the two sides off before you try to cut out the center here. So I'll cut it out and I'll let you know what to do next. Alright, so I have all my pieces here. So what you're going to do then is you're going to make sure it's facing the right direction. So the curved side should be down, and you're just going to tape the little half circle thing to the back of this triangle-y circle shape. So you're just going to tape that back there, and you're going to have the curved end facing down. So you're going to do that with both pieces. So it should look like this then when you're done taping it. So I'll tape it and let you know what to do next. So now we have this little dove looking thing, and you can decorate it, you can put eyes on it, you can put feet on it. But the reason that we made a dove is because doves represent peace, and we're learning about peace this week. So this dove will help you remember to be peaceful and to remember that God's peace is always with you. So I'll decorate mine and let you know what it looks like. Alright, so I added some little feet down here for my dove and some eyes. You can add colors. But yeah, so this stuff will remind us to be peaceful, like a calm stream, and not like a tornado. So next week, we will learn about the fourth fruit of the Spirit, and I'll let you know what that is next week. Bye!